Question 17. Another local question asking what could be true. This time it adds the stipulation that one of the families owns both G and I. So we start with our sketch, putting down the spaces, and then we want to consider if G and I are together, where could they go? Obviously they can't go to the Yandells because the Yandells only ever get one building. And that's immediately going to trigger a rule, because if the Yandells don't get the inn, the Trents have to get the stables. Which now means that the Trents can't get G and I either, because that would take 3 spaces, and they only ever have a maximum of 2 spaces. So that means that G and I are going to the Williamses. There are 2 buildings left, F and M. One of them will have to go to the Yandells, and then the other is kind of free to go all over the place. We don't know if it's an M or an F, and obviously if it's an F, it won't be able to go with the Williamses because I and F can never be together. But if it's an M, it could go with the Williamses, and either M or F could go with the Trents. So we're just going to put them to the side with a question mark to say we don't know where that one is. And then we're going to go looking at the answer choices to see which one could be true. Answer choice A says that the Trents have G, which can't be true because it's with the Williamses. Answer choice B says that the Trents own the M, which could be true. We've got room to put that M with the Trents, so that is our answer. On the day of the test, we're going to pick that and move on, but you're probably curious to see why C, D, and E aren't the answer. Answer choice C, that says the Williamses own the Forge, which can't be true because they have I, and you can't have both I and F. Answer choice D says that the Williamses have S, but we know that can't be true because the Trents have it. And answer choice E says that the Yandells have I, but we know that the Williamses have it. So, as we learned earlier, answer choice B is the answer.